Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are doing well and enjoying your summer vacations. Today we will solve the remedy pack of mathematics level 9 page number 44. We will solve question number 5 part number 9, that is evaluate log of 1 over 128 to the base 2. So students, here we are given with question, that is part number 9, log of 1 over 128 to the base 2. To find the logarithm, firstly we will suppose that this logarithm is equals to a variable x 1 over 128 to the base 2. Now in exponential form it can be written as, in exponential form we can write as 1 over 2 raised to power x is equals to 1 over 128. Students, this is a base, will become here base, and the variable opposite to the equal side will become power and equals to the logarithm of the given number. Next we will find the factors of 128, that is 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 raised to power 7. So we can write 2 raised to power x is equals to 1 divided by 2 raised to power 7. Students, we have learned about a law of exponent, that a raised to power minus n is equals to 1 over a raised to power n. That is, if a power is given negative, we can make it positive by moving its to denominator. Same here, we can also move the denominator to the numerator and the power will be changed. So 1 over 2 raised to power 7 can be written as 2 raised to power x is equals to 2 raised to power minus 7. Both have same basis, so we will comparing the basis. When we compare both of its bases, then they are equal, so powers will be written as x is equals to minus 7. That is the answer of logarithm of 1 over 128 to the base 2. Next students, question number 10 is given as log of x to the base 2 equals to 5, then find the value of x. Here we are given with another question having logarithm, and we have to find the value of the variable involved in the logarithm. So part number 10 will be solved in the same way as we solved part number 9. So let's solve it. Log of x to the base 2 equals to 5. Same student, in exponential form it can be written as, in exponential form we can write here 2 raised to power 5 equals to x. Student, 2 raised to power 5 is equals to 32, so x is equals to 32. Next, part number 11 is given as log of 8 to the base 64 equals to x by 2. In the same way, we will solve this question. Log of 8 to the base 64 equals to x divided by 2. So, in exponential form, it can be written as, in exponential form, we will write 64 to the base x by 2 equals to 8. So student, 64 can be write as 8 raised to power 2 whole raised to power x by 2, which is equals to 8. 2 will be cancelled out. 8 raised to power x is equal to 8 raised to power 1. So x is equals to 1 by comparing the bases. This is our solution of question number 5, part number 11. Next, question number 12 is given as 10 raised to power p is equals to 40. We have to find here the value of p, and we are given with an expression 10 raised to power p is equals to 40. To solve this question, let us consider this exponential form as, that is part number 12, 10 raised to power p is equals to 40. Student, it is given exponential form. We will convert this into logarithm form. For that, taking logarithm on both sides, taking log on both sides, we have log of 10 raised to power p is equals to log of 40. So student, by using third law of exponent, p can be written as p P10 log 10 is equals to log 40. Student, log 10 equals to 1, so P into 1 is log 40 is 1.604, so P is equals to 1.604. This is the value of P. Next, question number 13 is given as logarithm of 6 to the base a is equals to 0.5. We are given logarithm of 6 to the base a is equals to 0.5. So it is given in logarithm form. First we will convert it into exponential form. So in exponential form it is written as a raised to power 0.5 is equals to 6. 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2 equals to 6. We have to find the value of a here, so we have to remove this 1 by 2. To cancel out 1 by 2, we will take square on both sides. Squaring, we get a raised to power 1 by 2 whole raised to power 2 is equals to 6 raised to power 2. This will cancel out. A is equal to 6 raised to power 2 is 36, which is the answer of the value of a that we have to find. So student, next question number 14 is given as logarithm of 2 to the base 3 into logarithm of 81 to the base 2. Here we are given with two logarithms that are multiplying with each other. We will solve this logarithm by using the fourth law of logarithm. So solving this question, we have part number 14, logarithm of 2 to the base 3 into logarithm of 81 to the base 2. By using fourth law of logarithm, students, we can write it as by taking separate logarithm log of 2 over log of 3 multiply by log of 81 over log of 2. Logarithm of 2 will be cancelled out, which is equals to logarithm of 81 over log of 3. So student, logarithm of 81 can be written as logarithm of 3 raised to power 4 over log of 3, which can be written as 4 log of 3 divided by log of 3. This will cancel out and the answer is 4. Next student, question number 15 will be solved in the same way as we solved question number 14, that is log of 3 to the base 5 into logarithm of 25 to the base 3. We are given here logarithm of 3 to the base 5 into logarithm of 25 to the base 3. So we can write it as logarithm of 3 over log of 5 multiply log of 25 over log of 3. This will cancel out and it's become log of 25 over log of 5, which can be written as log of 5 raised to power 2 over log of 5, and can be written as 2 log 5 over log of 5. Log 5 will cancel out and the answer is 2. So student, this is our today's lecture. Hope you understand it. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.